Pretty excited today to be doing my first tomahawk steak. So never done one of these before. Picked this up from Char in Highett, Victoria. I was on the phone to Michael V from Riverway up in Townsville, asking him about what to do with this piece of meat. So he suggested I take a little bit of the fat off the back here. I'm going to take the bit of meat off the side of the bone here, which I can use to cook something else up. Cut that back so we've got a nice clean bone to work with. So I spoke to Dan Riley over in Perth, and he's recommended for the seasoning equal parts in weight of salt, coarse pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder as well. Make sure we're covering all of the meat here. I love talking like an expert when it's the first time I've done something. Okay, so we're going to cook our tomahawk steak in the zgril 700E, which is what I've got behind me here. So we're going to cook it about 107 degrees C, so we'll get a bit of smoke flavour until we get an internal temperature of about 54, 55, pull it out, and then do our reverse sear. So this is a pellet grill. We've got our pellets, so wood pellets, and they feed into the grill here, self-ignite, and they maintain the set temperature. So let's turn this on and get started. I'm going to be using the Inkbird. This is the Inkbird IBT 4XS. It has up to 4 probes. I like this one because it syncs up to my phone, so I can set alarms and set the temperature, and you can actually see the graph of the temperature over time. So we'll be putting 2 of these into the meat, monitoring the temperature until we get to about 54, 55 degree internal temperature. Alright, we've got a good roaring sound now from the flames. Put the lid down. I'm going to set it to 107. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes until that temperature stabilises, and then we'll put in our tomahawk steak. So we are now up to temperature, internal temperature 102, 103, which is pretty good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop in the tomahawk steak, put in our 2 temperature probes, so we can monitor the temperature. I'll set alarms on the Inkbird up for 54 degrees, so we get a notification when it gets to those temperatures. Should be getting some good smoky flavour on this tomahawk. Something nice and tight. Around. So we've taken out the grill rack and the grease tray, and we're putting our barbecue plate. This is a longer barbecue plate directly over the fire pot. Pretty good.